Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create the swing animations in CapCut PC. So you can start by adding the clip that you want to edit into CapCut PC like this. And then next go to effects, and under the video effect in here, just search for the electric border. I don't know if the name is still the same. Okay, this one, electro border, sorry, not electric. So just click on download first, and then click on the plus to add it to your clip. So under setting in here, the video effect settings, set the size to 100 and then the strength to 0, like this. Don't forget to adjust the length, and this is the result. You can always adjust the speed to how you like it. So this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the text. Bye!